Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filters in CapCut using the latest 2026 version. Filter in CapCut can instantly improve the look of your video and make them more cinematic and professional. So the first step is to open the CapCut application. You can select a new video or select previously existing project. Here I will choose new video. Next, select which video you want to edit using the filter and press add in the bottom right corner. We will go to the editing page and you can see here that the video is still raw and has no filter at all. There are two ways here. First, you can create filter with a separate layer from the video. You slide the bottom menu to the left, then tap on the filter option. Here there will be many filters that you can choose from. You can choose according to the color you like and also according to the need of your video. After you have finished selecting, press the tick button in the top right corner to save. You will see at the bottom there will be an additional layer. This is the filter layer. You can drag this layer to extend or shorten it according to the duration of the existing video, that which area of the video you want to add a filter to. You can also speed the layer, separate it, and also directly change the filter type of this layer. Next, you can also add a filter by selecting which video you want to add the filter to. For example, here there are two videos and you only want to add one of them. Here there are two videos and you only want to add one of them. You can press one of the videos, then look for the filter in the bottom menu and select the filter as before. And this filter only effect to the video that we have selected. Once you have changed the filter, you can export it to see the result. So thank you for watching and see you in another one.